Yes, very good morning, dear students. Today we'll continue one more lecture related to the dispersion of white light. So already in last lecture we discussed about dispersion of white light, right? What is the meaning of dispersion of light? The uh, the white light is split into its seven colors. These seven colors are formed in one spectrum. So that spectrum we are called it the spectrum of white light. The spectrum of white light contains seven colors from starting from violet to last red. Vibgyor is in the form of a Vibgyor, right? So how it forms Vibgyor? What are the that are frequencies and sorry, what are the wavelengths? And we are discussing last lecture. Now today, now we are going to discuss recombination of colors of spectrum to give white light. So before that, when white light passes through a prism, that white light split into seven colors. Right or not? Whenever white light passes through a prism, that white light split into seven colors. Thus, that seven colors are formed in one spectrum. That spectrum we call spectrum of white light. The spectrum of white light contains seven colors. Now, recombination of colors of spectrum of to give white light. Now here the main theme we are discussing. Here we are actually we are taking here two prisms. So, but one is a normal prism and one is another. This is inverted prism. So whenever just theme I am telling, whenever actually here hole is there, sunlight is passing through this hole. Then sunlight means white light is passing. It is only it is a hole. Why we are setting hole means it is only form a narrow beam of light. Particular light only form, not a whole light. It is forms only small quantity of light passing through this prism. It means white light, and this white light fall on the prism, then it's split into seven colors of course, but here I am taking only two colors. Why? Because here in before we are not taking any whole, so here only it forms intensity of light will be decreases here. So just I am considering here two it will be split into two colors, red and violet, and this red and violet are passes through inverted prism. Here inverted prism behaves like a recombination of white light. Understand this? This is the main thing here. Here this inverted white light behaves like a recombination of white light. Then this red and violet passes through this inverted prism, and after that these lights are fall on this one spectrum or one screen. We call it is a white screen. Why? Because it will be formed into white light. Why? Because here we can change this prism is inverted prism. Here main thing is inverted prism behaves like a white light. Understand? Yes. Next, see that one I am telling here. It was everything. This experiment was done by Isaac Newton. So further, the Isaac Newton was the first to use a glass prism to obtain the spectrum of sunlight. So he tried to split the colors of spectrum of white light further using another similar prism. That one important point. He tried to split the colors of the spectrum of white light further by using another similar prism. However, he could not get any more colors. Why? Because he is choosing only one narrow beam of light. Here a whole he is choosing whole. Then intensity of light will be decreases. So whatever the wavelengths of light will be, which are the wavelengths of light or frequency of light will be decreases. Those we are not getting here. Here only we are getting red and violet. Why? Because those the red have maximum wavelength and violet have maximum frequency, right? So for that only here we are not getting all colors. Why? Because only small narrow beam of light passing through this hole. He adjusted like that. The Newton was adjusted like that, and however he could not get any more colors. He then placed a second identical prism in an inverted position with respect to the first prism as shown in figure. See, it is actually two parallel prisms, but one is inverted prism, one is normal he placed. So this the thing is inverted prism behaves like a white light, right? So if there is no nothing is there, again we can place as the normal prism, again it will be refraction will be causes. We are not getting again white light. So for that only here he fixed the this prism itself a white light. So that one we call it is inverted prism. See, this allowed the all the colors of the spectrum to pass to the second prism, and he found a beam of white light emerging then other side of the second prism. So that only beam of white light. So whenever this red and violet after dispersing, this red and violet passes through inverted prism, he will get a white emerging white light, right? The emerging light is a white light. So the white light is emerging from the other side of the second prism, and this observation gave Newton the idea that the sunlight is made up of seven colors. So any light that gives a spectrum similar to that of sunlight is often referred to as a white light. Here the first prism is known as the dispersing prism. As why? Because as dispersion takes place, right? Why? Because it's split into 7 colors, and at the first phase of the prism A and the second prism B recombines the dispersed colors, and second prism behaves like a recombines the dispersed colors. So therefore it is taken as the recombination prism. Understand? Here first prism is known as the dispersing prism. Why? Because it is here dispersion takes place at the first phase of the prism A, and second prism B recombines the dispersed colors. The second prism behaves like a recombination of dispersed colors or recombination of white light. Therefore it is known as the recombination prism. Second prism we call it is recombination prism. Here both the prisms A and B together act as a glass slab with parallel sides, and emergent ray is parallel to the incident ray. Here actually both prisms are like parallel to each other, but here emergent ray is parallel to the incident ray. See, it is an emergent ray means outgoing ray. This emergent ray, this incident ray are parallel, nearly parallel to the each other. This is about how recombination of colors of spectrum to give white light, dear students.